and how to solve the projections of solids problems using AutoCAD software. First, we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. And here, command is limits. Go to specify lower left corner, 0, 0, upper right corner, 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some point, click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side and to take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and then drag the mouse in the upper direction. Again, take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select the object, that is the vertical line, and object to offset by to the left side by 297 mm, and then go to offset, take the distance as 210, select the horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet between this line and this line, similarly fillet between this line and this line, similarly fillet between this line and this line. Then go to zoom window, take near to the screen and go to D-text, specify start point, select some arbitrary point on the screen and take the height as 4, rotation angle as 0, type the problem number 147. Then go to A, pentagonal pyramid, 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length, rests on HP on one of its slant triangular faces. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to VP at 45 degrees. Now we go back, zoom previous and then go to zoom window, and now we go for a layer and click on new, take the new layer as XY, then click on new, take the layer as axis, click on new, take the layer as visible, click on new, take the layer as invisible, then click on new, type locus. Now go to layer 0, set the line weight as 0.05 and say OK. Set the layer XY with line weight 0.13 and say OK. Set the layer by name axis, the line weight as 0.05. Set the layer of visible line weight as 0.5. OK. Set the invisible layer of line weight 0.3 and set the locus line of line weight 0.05 and go to OK. Then go to locus, click on the line type of locus, click on load, take the cursor here and type D dash dot and say OK, and click on dash dot and say OK. Then come down to invisible continuous, click on load, take this as hidden, then say OK and click on hidden and say OK. Then come down to axis line type continuous, click on that, type load, take the cursor here and type C center and say OK, click on center and say OK. So this is how you will be able to load the layers and set the line types. Once you do that and you close this and go to polygon, take the number of sides as 5, take the edge option, first point of edge, you select some arbitrary point, click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the top side and take the distance as 25. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Similarly, go to line, int of this and take perpendicular to this opposite edge. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this. Similarly, line, int of this and take int of this. Once you do that, then go to select, go to CH, go to layer, set the layer as visible. Then switch on the line weight display mode. Then go to line, take a horizontal line and take the offset distance as 50. Select this line and offset to the top side then go to line, take int of this, take perpendicular to this, then again go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this, and then draw a line int of this, and then come down to int of this, and then get to line int of this and take int of this. Then go to fillet between these two, then go to erase, select this line, erase, break this line, and go to select this line and these two lines and make this layer as visible, and again you just press escape, then click on this line, go to layer, make this layer as axis, take the distance as 10 and say escape. Now we'll go for a grouping. So then go to group, select objects, you select these objects by selecting window and say it has been, group has been made. Then go to copy, select this line, group item, select on this and say OK. Then go to rotate, select objects, you select this, base point int of this, take the reference point, again you take int of this and take this int and then rotate with respect to this. Then go to move, select this object, move this here, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and take the line int of this, then go to line int of this and line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. So go to trim, select cutting edges, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this and object to trim as this and object to trim as this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw vertical line, take int of this, draw perpendicular to this, similarly line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this and take int of this and take int of this and take int of this. Then come down to int of this and take int of this, similarly line int of this and int of this and take int of this. Then go to zoom window, then come down to this, then go to zoom window, then go to break, select this line, first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and take at the rate, then break first point int of this and at the rate, break first point int of this and say at the rate. All the exterior edges, the boundaries of the solids are visible. You select this, you select this and select this and you select this. Then go to all the surface near to the observer is visible, so this pentagon is visible. Since from this point this line and this line is visible, so obviously this line will also be visible, so you make this as visible edges. Then escape, then you select this line, go to layer, make this as layer as axis and then go to this, you make it tree, then escape, then again you click on this and you click on this slant edge. These two edges are crossing the visible edge, so two visible edges can never cross each other, therefore you take invisible and take the distance as 5, so you make this as 10. So this is how you will be able to get the second position. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, take int of this and int of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to group, select this object, then go to PDIM, select line, go to decimal point, take second decimal point, go to text, type 4, align with the dimension line, center becomes above, take the dimension as 3, symbols and arrow size, take 4, and go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 3, say OK, and then say close. Then dim horizontal, take int of this, and take intersection part of this, and take 47.28, and go to line, take nearest point at the rate of 100 less than minus 135, and draw a line, and go to circle, take nearest point on this, take the circle radius as 50 mm, and then go to break, select this circle in the anti-clockwise direction, and then go to erase, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, then go to fillet between these two, then go to circle, take center of this, take 47.28, then go to break this circle in anti-clockwise direction, and from here also it is like this. Then go to erase this, then go to copy, select this, take int of this, take center of this, take the cursor on the circumference, then go to rotate, select this, base point int, then go to reference, then take the reference angle as 180, then you take end point of this and take int of this. Go to rotate, select this object, base point int of this, take the reference, take the specify reference angle as 180, enter, then specify new angle int of this. So once it is done, then go to break, select this and break this, then go to change, go to layer, take this as the axis, take this as the locus, and select this and you take 5 and then escape. Once you do that, then go to break, then go to move, select this and you move it and place it wherever you want. Then go to line, take int of this, take perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this, take perpendicular to this, take int of this, take perpendicular to this, then go to line, int of this, draw a horizontal line, take int of this and draw a vertical line, select between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, take int of this, take perpendicular to this and take int of this, take perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two and go to line, take int of this and draw this and go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line, take between these two, then go to zoom window, select this line, int of this, so take int of this, then go to int of this, take int of this, take int of this, then go to line, take int of this and take int of this and take int of this, then go to line, take int of this, take int of this and take int of this. So this is how you will be able to write the pentagon. And then go to F, take intersection point of this at the rate, break first point int of this and say at the rate. Now we will go for the zoom window and apply the visibility, condition of visibility and invisibility. So then select this line, first you select this line, go to layer, make this layer as axis, select this and you make it 10. Once you do that, then go to select on this, all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. So these are the exterior edges of the boundary. The surface of the pentagon which is near to the observer is also visible. You select on this and then go to layer, make that layer as visible. Then once you do that, so you apply the two visible edges can never trace each other. Therefore, obviously that should be invisible, and take the distance as 15. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using AutoCAD software. Then go to zoom previous, then click on this and click on this and click on this and click on this. Then go to make the layer as XY. Once you do that, then go to DDIM, select modify, then go to primary units, you make this as 0 and then say OK and close it. Then dim vertical, int of this and int of this, take the distance as 50, then dim aligned, select between this, you take this and you have 25, and dim angular, then go to dim angular, select this inclined line and you select this line, you make this as 45 degree, then dim angular, select between these two, then you are going to get text in space and then take wherever you want and click. Then go to M text, select this window, then go to symbol, select the symbol and type small letter B and enter. Then go to zoom, enter, then go to dim TED, select this and bring it nearer. Then go to move, select this beta, type it and switch off the ortho mode. You take here and dim TED, select this and you drag this. So once you do this, then you just go to zoom previous, then go to the text, switch on the ortho caps lock, type X, you type VP, you type HP, you type capital letter Y, then go to small letters, go to small a, B, C, D, E and you type O and you type O1, then go to A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is A dash, E dash, and here it is O1 dash, and here it is O dash. Once you do this, then go to zoom window, select this and take it into the screen, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, take X, you take Y, VP, and you take HP. So this is how you are going to get A dash, and this is what you are going to get B dash, and here you get O dash or O1 dash. Go to C dash and you take B dash, then go to E dash, then go to O dash, then here A, here it is B, here it is C, here it is D, here it is E, here it is O, here it is O1. So once you do that, then go to copy the text, then go to copy O dash, you copy this here, and similarly copy, you take C dash and take D dash, that is the triangular face, then go to O1 dash, copy it here, then go to B dash, copy it here, then go to E dash, copy it here, then EA dash and copy it here. Now you go to A, that A will come here and that A will go here. Similarly, you take B, copy, go to copy, select object, select this, take this point B and you take this point B. Then go to C, copy C here and then D, the D will be here and the D will come here. Then go to E, select this and you select this E and you select this. and go to O1. So go to D text, type O. So go to D text, select O1 or type O1 and enter. Then you move this appropriately. Then go to copy, select this line, copy O1 and you select this here. Then now we need to write copy, take O, you copy it here and that O will go here. Once you do that, then go to zoom window, then go to D text. So here you have a C dash, here we have a D dash, and here it is O dash, and here it is, since pentagonal surface is visible, therefore since O1 dash is on pentagonal surface, so that becomes visible. Then go to move, then click it here, then take C dash and click it here, then go to O dash, you click it here, then D dash, this is B dash, this is B dash, this is E dash, and this is A dash. Then go to move, select B dash and take this and take O dash and it is save this. Then go to B dash, then go to A dash and E dash, then C dash, then C dash. So here, since A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, A dash are visible, since O1 dash is on that surface, so obviously O1 dash becomes visible and therefore it has been written without the bracket. So this is how you will be able to solve the problem by using AutoCAD software. Click on save, go to E drive, go to AutoCAD, go to solids drawings and take P147 and save. Finally, you exit the